Hello everyone, today we'll be installing the Evotech Performance front and rear spindle bobbins or axle sliders, whatever you want to call it. This is the rear one I have in my hand. This is how it looks. I've already tightened one part of the screw here. The other one will tighten, it up once we install it. This is for the rear one that I just showed you. We'll start with the front one first. Again, like I said, I've tightened already one part. I've put a little bit of blue Loctite on it just to be on the safe side, and then tighten this up. The other one we will, tighten as we install. To start, we'll take off the first screw here. I'll just place it down, and we'll take this all out. It has a washer. I don't want to lose the washer. I'll place it down there. Place the other washer down here. Here's the bobbin. Here is the rod. Let's start with the installation. First thing you want to do is make sure that the right part is going in. Like for the front one, it's two separate ends. You just have to make sure which one fits in where. So when I'm trying to fit this one in here, it doesn't go, so this is probably for the other side. This one here, we'll try it now, and it fits in perfectly. So that shows that, this is the one that will go on this side. I'll insert the washer in first. The screw is already tightened on this side of it. We'll insert the bobbin or the slider since we tested, and this is the one that fits in here. We'll insert this one in here, and let's put this in. Perfect. This is the one that goes in here. This is the other side where the rod is passing through the axle. We'll pass this washer here. This goes in here perfectly. We'll insert the slider here. Here is the washer, and here is the screw in my hand. I'll hand tighten the nut first with my thumb. This is the final look. The front sliders are installed. I've tightened the screw. I took it off again, the bolt, just to add some blue Loctite to it, but retightened again, fix the logo, looks beautiful. Let's go ahead and install the rear one now. This is the rear slider as I've showed you. We'll follow the same drill like we did for the front one. Insert it here. I've already tightened the rear screw, so it's there. And then I'll insert the other slider from the other side and then tighten it up. The rear one is finally installed. It looks absolutely stunning, beautiful in that red color. The other side is black. Let me show you the other side quickly. And this is the other side. I've tightened the nuts as per the torque specs. Let me quickly show you the front one as well. This is the front one again. Looks very, very nice. Beautiful. And on the other side. Thank you again for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss on any future upcoming videos. Till next time, ride safe, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.